welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have received my Glossybox subscription. It's a beauty subscription box, if you don't know what Glossybox is, although I think most of us do, I think, but there may be some people still out there that don't know. So I've received my subscription box. It comes to you in the post in a box like this. I'm going to open it in a minute, but if you don't know anything about Glossybox, as I said, it is a beauty subscription box. You can vary your price of your subscription, whether you want to choose to subscribe for 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, you know, a rolling 1 month. I subscribe for a rolling 1 month. I pay, I think it's £12.99, £12.95 per month, so let's just say £13 per month. That does include the postage as well. I decided to do it just for the 1 month, purely and simply because I can cancel at any time. If you subscribe for like 3, 6, 12 months, you're a little bit more tied in and you have to give notice to be able to cancel. So this just suits me. So, you know, a 12 month might suit a lot of other people, as with all the other subscription months you can go for, but yeah, for me this suits me, so that's why I've chosen to do it this way. So I will open the box. I'm not aware that this one is a themed box at all. Some of the boxes we get from Glossybox are themed, and that's usually to represent or celebrate something, whether it's an anniversary or a birthday or something going on in the world. Okay, well, this is not your normal box. There we go. So this indeed is to celebrate something because it's a limited edition box. So I'll take that out first and then just go through some of the gumps that you always get with your boxes. A £24 beer voucher to come off if you wanted to subscribe to Beers 52. If you're interested in doing that, I will hold this up and you can see the code, and please feel free to share that and use that, whatever you want to do. Hoodia. This is a underwear. Again, it's going to give you 20% off your first purchase, so I'll hold that up. And there's the code should you want to have a look at those, maybe buy something from them. These aren't affiliated links or anything like that, so I don't make any money or anything out of these, just sharing them with you. And again, Hello Fresh, if you're interested in doing that. 60% off your first box plus 40% off your next 3 boxes. So that's the Hello Fresh one. I'll turn it over because it's got the codes. So if you're interested, then maybe use them. This is based on Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat mixtape. So this is sort of like a retro looking box to the cassette player. And it's also on the back. So let's open and see what's in here. Pink and white inside the lid. And as always, it comes packaged absolutely beautifully. There you go. So, lovely pink ribbon this time. As I've said before, many times I save these, they go in my crafted stash. This is the booklet that you get in every month. So again, this is all based on the cassette. It's got like play, record up here, etc. So looking at the back straight away, it gives you a sneak into March's, one of the items in March's box. If you don't want to know what it is, then maybe look away now, because I'll just show this so that you can see this product here. That's the only thing that you've got is your little sneaky peek. Okay, so what does it say in the box? It says February is the month of love, and at Glossy headquarters, one of our biggest loves is music. You'll frequently catch us humming a tune, which is why our mantra of the month is sing, dance, love, repeat. Whatever you love, we've got a box here that you're sure to adore. This is something special that you don't have to wait for until Valentine's Day. I was just about to say, it's kind of like Valentine's themed, isn't it? Let's do an unboxing, shall we? They're always sealed like this as well, with a little sticker, and wrapped in the tissue paper. Okay, so I'm going to crack on with the very first item in this box, which is, the products are all in there, look, a full size. It's by the company Avant. I've had quite a few of their products in the Glossybox before. They are very expensive, and I don't know that I would ever personally spend that much on them, but I'm so happy to receive them in my Glossybox, of course. So the very first one is Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. Fortified with incredible ingredients such as rose, peony, sweet almond, this scrub will leave you with super soft, kissable lips just in time for Valentine's Day. Ingredients: rose works to buff away dead skin cells and impurities to reveal fresh, youthful lips. This product is like reflective properties, also illuminate the lips, allowing them to glow. And the recommended retail price of this is £58, and this is a full size. So you get 10 mil. 10 mils, wow. £58 for this. So that is what the scrub looks like for your lips. I'm in need of a lip scrub actually. I don't actually have one, I've run out, but I'll just pop a little bit onto my hand. So it's just clear like that. You can feel, it feels a little bit like, you know, like a sticky lip gloss. Feels like that, and it has got the tiny little spheres in it, but they are so tiny. I think it would be an extremely gentle exfoliation. It smells, I wouldn't say it smells of roses or peonies, but it smells like, just like a very subtle, florally smell. Okay, second item on the list is a full-size item again. Recommended retail price is £20, and it's nude sticks, so it's a lipstick, so it's a gel colour lip and cheek balm. Rich in colour and glossy in shine, this multi-purpose beauty product works as both a gorgeous tinted lip balm and as a natural cream blush. Every pencil is made with skin protecting plant oils and is infused with vitamin E for extra hydration. Simply draw directly onto your lips or cheeks and then blend to create a look that is fresh and dewy. So this is in the colour Siren. So let's just do a little swatch. So that's what it's looking like, and so it's one of those that you have to sharpen. I'll go up my arm a little bit for this one because I've still got the stuff there, the lip scrub there. Super soft, super duper duper soft. There you go. Let's just see how it blends. I think if you're using this on your cheeks, you need a tiny bit, because it's actually, I mean, it does blend, but I don't think I'd put it on my cheeks. It's harder to blend, I've got to confess, but it's nice, but I just stick to this on my lips. Number 3, Bubble Tea Cosmetics. This is a full size again. Recommended retail price £4.99. Peach Bellini hand cream, packed with the fresh scents of ripe peaches and a touch of bubbles, along with added aloe vera extract, ultra moisturising shea butter. This product is a real treat for your hands, sweet and uplifting. This hand cream is guaranteed to nourish and soothe your hands that have dried out from the cold weather. £4.99. is the recommended retail price for this one. This is quite big actually. You've got 90 mils in here, so this is a nice one, nice size. Let's just pop some on. It's not really thick, but it's not completely runny either, so it comes out of the tube really easily. It's staying put. I think it's just starting to melt, come down my hand a little bit. Oh, that smells nice. That does smell nice. Very light. Yeah, that's a really light peach fragrance. It's very nice. It feels really nice actually. It's not one of those hand creams that's like really difficult to, you know, you really have to work it in, and it doesn't feel greasy or anything like that. Love that one. Okay, next one is Steve Laurent, a full-size item, and it's a total repair lip mask. Lips feeling dry and cracked from cold weather, Steve Laurent's total repair lip mask will bring a burst of hydration to your lips whenever you're in need of a little extra love. Instantly soothing and revitalizing lips, the mask also helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and to leave them looking and feeling soft and smooth. And this is recommended retail price of £5. And there we are. So this is what the lip mask looks like. We have in Glossybox also received some of the cosmetics from this range before as well, and I really do like them. So this, along with the exfoliator for the lips, I think will work quite nicely together. And then the last thing is Glow on Fifth, full size, recommended retail price £5. This facial massage tool helps contour the face and neck to enhance your features. However, can also be used to relieve tight muscles. Use this gua sha, is that how you pronounce it? Over clean skin for 4 to 6 minutes every day to flush lymphatic drainage and increase blood flow and circulation. As a result, you'll be left with radiant, vibrant and youthful skin. I am thinking this, if you remember last month's Glossybox, I will link it down below or up in the cards up here. We were supposed to have had this last month, but the stock didn't come in time, so Glossybox gave us something else, and it was an eye mask, like a liquid eye mask instead. So this has obviously come into stock now. So the packaging is that. I'm just going to put it out there. A lot of these are actually made from rose quartz or jade. This is plastic. Thick, yeah, it's quite thick, look. And it probably does the job, obviously. Would I choose to buy one of these in plastic? Absolutely not. No, I wouldn't. Even if the rose quartz ones are more expensive, I would wait and I would get one of those. I don't know. I mean, it probably does the same, but it's not going to feel the same on the face. So it's not going to give you the same experience, in my own humble opinion anyway. So that, my lovelies, is everything that is in my Glossybox for this month. I just want to say now, last month I did Glossybox versus Birchbox together. I combined them together to see which one I thought was the best in my opinion last month, and it was Glossybox last month. This month I've decided I'm not going to do them together. I just felt it was a little unfair. I didn't want to confuse anyone either, because I thought, well, I don't want to just keep putting my own personal opinion out there, because you might get confused. If you're thinking about sort of looking up beauty subscription boxes and then you saw my video, I might draw you more to Glossybox last month. I haven't done Birchbox yet, so do you know what I mean? And then if you were to get a Glossybox and then be disappointed with it, I didn't want you to think, oh, that's because Lesleyanne recommended that, that's why I got it. So I'd hate you to feel that. So I decided to do them separately again. I hope you have enjoyed this month's Glossybox. The box is lovely in itself anyway, isn't it? I always use the boxes to store bits and pieces in anyway. But yeah, I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to give me that nice big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love you to do so, and don't forget to press the notification bell, and then you'll be notified, of course, of all my new uploads. So in a minute, what I'll do is pop on the screen how much all these products came to and what they're worth, and of course again how much I paid for the box. So until then, my lovelies, I'll talk to you in my next video. Stay safe, won't you? See you in the next one. Bye, my lovelies.